We'll guide you through how to get and start playing SkyBlock in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you didn't know, SkyBlock is essentially a Minecraft map, and you start on an island with a tree and you have to go and complete different challenges, and you can go and create a world. It's a very unique way of playing Minecraft, as of course you don't have the whole world to explore, you just start on the island and have to use that. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done, make sure it's this full guide, and let's go and dive straight into this. So what you want to do is you want to go and close out of Minecraft like so. Now, before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're interested in Minecraft server, check them out. They're going to be linked down below in the pinned comment and in the description. Right now, you can get 25% off your first server, so definitely go and check them out. They've got so many great features as well if we come down here. For example, 24/7 servers and support, meaning you can get the help anytime you need it for your always online server. Automated backups keeping your server safe, unlimited slots, and a free subdomain. So if you're interested, they'll be linked down below. But to continue with the guide, you want to go and open up a new tab in your browser. And now what we want to do is go and search for a site called Minecraft Maps. So you want to go and type it in like so. Then you want to come to the site minecraftmaps.com. Then I'll just go and press accept. There are different sites you can use. This is just one I use. I find it to be trusted. So you can go and press browse maps. Now what you want to do here is type on search and go and type in SkyBlock like so. Now you're going to see there are different versions here. Personally, I get this one here. It's got 2.8 million downloads. So we can go and click on it. Now what we can do is we can go and come over to the right here. You can see this is for 1.16.4. So what we can then do is come down and you can go and find the option for download map. So we can go and click that there like so. I'll just go and press consent here. Be aware of the ads on this site. For example, this download button here is an ad. To go and download this, you need to go and press the download button to the right of this picture. And now it's gone and downloaded. Now that we've got it, what we can do is we can come out of here like so, and we can come and close out of Minecraft for now. I'll just minimize it. What you want to do is go and open up your file explorer, and you want to come into your downloads. So I've already got this open. Press downloads to the left, and you should go and find the SkyBlock zip. You want to go and drag this onto your desktop like so. Here it is. Now what you need to do is go and right click on it, and you want to go and find the option for extract all. Then you can go and press extract, wait for this to complete, and you should then go and end up with a folder, world called SkyBlock, which you can double click on, and you'll go and see this then goes and opens up these files here. Now, what we're going to need to do is we need to come and open up the Minecraft launcher. So you haven't already, you can go and open it up, and you want to go to the top and go and find the option for installations. Then you just want to go and find latest release and hover over the open installations folder to the right. This will take you to the Minecraft files. Scroll down here, we need to go and find the worlds, which is known as the saves folder. So scroll down here, here is saves, you want to come into it. You may have loads of worlds, I don't, which is a bit easier for me. And then what we need to do is we need to go and add in that SkyBlock folder. Just move Minecraft out the way, open up the SkyBlock folder. You don't drag this entire folder in because you just noted when we go and double click on it, it then goes and opens up another folder. You want it to go and go straight into the world files when it's opened, like this. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go and drag SkyBlock into our saves and worlds here, just like that. Now what you need to do is come and return to the Minecraft launcher. And let me just go and drag it back on the screen. Then you want to come and press installations at the top and press new installation. Now it may be different for you, but if we return here, I'll go and press back or come back to the tab. This is for Minecraft 1.16.4. So we're going to get that version just so it's fully compatible. So you can go and click on version here. And then what you can do is go and start typing it in. So I could type in 1.16.4. And then here is the release. We can then select that. And you can name this. So I'll just go and name this SkyBlock because that's what I'm going to use it for. But you could just go and name it the version. It doesn't matter. And then you don't need to change anything else. You just go and type that in correctly. Then press install in the bottom right. And then it should go and install after launch. Select that if you want. Now go and wait. It's now finalizing and it should go and launch. Otherwise, you can press play in the top left. It's now launching and you can select it to the left of the play button. But you can see it's now loading. Let's go and make this full screen. Now that it's loaded, you want to go and press single player and then you'll go and find SkyBlock here. Then what you can do is go and press play selected world. It's going to go and open up and here we are. We've got the island, we've got the tree and we've got the chest and you can go and get started. If we go and head back to the site, It's going to go and guide you through some different challenges you can do, like building a cobblestone generator and doing different things like that.